Just ease her back in. Oh, I think across the board, I think it was pretty good. There's one. Oh, he took it right by the boat. That was sick. I saw him grab it, dude. That was sick. I like it for the summertime. The bass are feeding. Oh, and there she goes. Beautiful. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are here with my boy Ant.
What's up?
You guys know Ant, OG Fish Slinger. We are at the OG Fish Slinger spot. Beautiful pond behind us with the John boat rig. You guys know how we do it. We're always here. This place is always popping. And today's video, we're doing something a little special. We do it once a month here on the channel, guys. It is the MTB Slam. Got the box, got the shirt, and let me explain what Mystery Tackle Box is all about. All right, so obviously this video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box, and Mystery Tackle Box is a monthly based subscription box where you pretty much sign up, you pay, you know, X amount of dollars. There's a couple different boxes they have. This is the MTB Pro, and it comes with a lot of baits, and they're worth so much money, so much more than what you paid. Break into the box, and I'm gonna show you guys what we get. But if you guys want to get one of these boxes $10 off, your first box $10 off. So if you get this MTB Pro $10 off, it'll be super cheap. Use code SLINGER. It's gonna be on the screen here by clicking the first link in my description. Let's break into the box I got this month and see what lures we got. All right, so here's the box. Let's open it up. First of all, something I'm really looking forward to throwing, we got these Weston Magic Minnows. So it comes with a little jig head and then like this soft plastic swim bait with an extra one in case we catch some fish on it and it rips. Looks really good. Wave bait, it looks like a goby. I already have one Texas rigged, ready to go. So this will be interesting to throw. Haven't thrown something like this before. It's a Vexen deep thud. It goes 3 to 4 feet deep, I think, but it's just a little crankbait. Could put in the work here. It's kind of a shallower pond, but we'll see about that. Then we got the spinner bait. You can't go wrong with the spinner bait in the summertime. 3/8 ounce. This thing's got some nice colors to it, and I definitely brought some trailers to put on the back of this. And then the old classic, which you can't go wrong with, is the original Z-Man chatterbait, 3/8 ounce. And also, I'm probably gonna put this on it. This right here is a speed screamer. They have some really cool like twisty tails on the back. I think that'll go perfect. Matches the color with the Z-Man chatterbait. So I might try to cross these off together. We got some Harmony hooks. I will use this when I Texas rig the goby. I already have one rigged up, like I said. And yeah, that's the whole MTB box. So if you guys want to get all these good baits right here, they're really good baits every single month, use code SLINGER for your first box. You'll get a bunch of goodies. And I'm telling you, something I love about Mystery Tackle Box is that it gives you baits you've never thrown before. Like I've never thrown something like this, but it's nice to have because this is a really good bait and really makes you go out of your comfort zone and try new things. I've been talking a whole lot, but that was the unboxing. Anthony's rigging up right now. I'm gonna rig up as well. Might start with that swim bait because I really want to use that because it's, like I said, it's something I haven't really used before. And then I'll probably go on the chatterbait because that's just, you know, just a classic bait. Try to cross that off right away. Try to complete the slam. We got a little John boat behind us, and let's have a hell of a day. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. We're currently like 10,400 or 500 subscribers, so thank you so much for endless love and support, and we will see you guys on the water. Oh, dude, look how good that chatterbait looks on the back of there. Guys, I got the chatterbait with that speedrunner on the back. Oh, it looks juice. There's one. First cast, baby, let's go. Like I'm spinning the whole boat when I have a fish on. Stay on, let's go, dude. No way. Well, it's like first cast, it's currently 8:43 in the morning. That's not a bad one, actually. Go, baby. Fish number 1 on the chatterbait right in the top of the mouth. All right, we filming? All right. I should probably angle it up. You guys are staring right at my nuts. First fish of the day on that little chatterbait. So that's a chatterbait crossed off, so 1 bait, and also that speed screamer, that's 2. Look how juicy this combo looks right here. That looks so juicy, but now we gotta untie it because we just caught a fish on it. Not a bad one to start the day. First cast magic, and let's put her back. Oh, she's gonna jump. There she goes. Boom, baby, let's go. Probably like a big tree in the middle of the lake that has just stacked with the crappie because they're...
Dude, they're poking at it.
You feel some poking at it?
Oh, yeah.
You're kidding.
No, they're poking at it so much.
Set the hook.
Can you see it?
No.
Dude, look at my rod. Look at the tip, bro.
Dude, set the hook.
Oh.
That was it, man. You literally just got slammed. I got one. Oh, let's go. Bass right there. I was busy watching your rod. I got slammed on the spinnerbait. Fish in this back corner. Ant was like, I'm getting nibbles. We're watching his rod. It gets absolutely slammed. And we're like, what? Man, he did miss it, though, but then I got hit by this little guy on the spinnerbait, baby. Let's go. Bait number 2, or actually, technically bait number 3, crossed off the list on the spinnerbait. We're gonna get a little picture of this guy, and we will put her back. This right here, second fish of the morning, but the 3rd bait crossed off the list on that little spinnerbait right there. Big double willow blades. I think it's a big bait. I like it for the summertime. When bass are feeding, they're gonna be hammering this thing. So we're gonna take her off and we're gonna put her back in the water. Put her back in the water. Definitely smaller than the first one, but he hit a bigger bait, man. That's why don't be afraid to throw bigger spinnerbaits, because any size fish will hit it. Oh, and there she goes. Beautiful. Now we got this back corner, and it's getting some nibbles, and we're gonna try to catch some more fish. Guys, this right here is what I'm looking forward to throwing. The Weston Magic Minnow. Pull it out of the package. Oof. Not big into swim baits, but there's always a time to learn. That's why I love MTB, baby. Make me try new baits. Baits that I end up using all the time. So hopefully this is gonna be one of them, because it looks really juicy right off the rip, man. Little jig head there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna cast on the outskirts of these weeds right here. Probably like 6 or 7 feet deep right there. I'm gonna let this sink a little bit and just reel it in slow. Oh, I just got hit from it. Smacked. There's one. Second cast on the Weston Magic Minnow. Not even a big one, but that's all right. Ooh, he's got a lot of fight. You on? Double? We doubled? Oh, jeez. What do you got? What do you got? Bass? Not the crappie you're looking for, huh? Dude, potential double here if we can both land them. Let's go. Yeah. Got that double, baby. Let's go. And it's a little bigger on the Senko again, right?
Senko.
It's ripping the Senko. Great summertime bait. We're gonna get a little picture and then we'll put these guys back. Ant's gonna do the courtesy of filming first here. Little guy though, on the Weston Magic Minnow. I do like this. It was like my 3rd cast, and it's just a little guy. We'll just give her a simple plop. Or him. Can't assume these days, you know what I'm saying? That is bait number 4 crossed off the list. Let's see what we have left. I don't know. We have crossed, boom, boom, boom. Honestly, we're almost, we have, okay, so we have 2 baits left. We got the wave bait, this goby looking thing. I got this on the Texas rig right now. And then we have the deep stud series. Don't know what that word says, but like a little crankbait. Not sure how deep this goes. 3 to 4 feet deep. And so maybe I can run these on the outskirts of weeds. Good summertime bait for bass that are feeding, especially if there's a lot of grass right here that comes out. You guys can't see it, but bass will be sitting in that grass and they see this crank ripping on the outside. It's gonna be a good point for them to come out and slam it. So hopefully that happens. We can put that to play, and let's catch some more fish. Oh yeah, raise that dog. There's one. Come on. Lay down, baby. I think it's just an average one. On the chatterbait with the cut down goby on the back. If we can land this one, he's jumping like a maniac. Oh yeah, I love feeling that tug. I actually was adjusting my drag real quick, so I stopped reeling. So I don't know, maybe change up the presentation, you know? And she is in, baby. Woo! On the chatterbait with the goby. Let's go. This right here is bait number 5, I believe, crossed the list. Sorry you can't see me too well. We're kind of behind a tree. Sun's coming down at a weird angle, so it's probably not the best lighting. But nonetheless, another bass. Switched it up to the chatterbait, which is, oh my God, it's all the way down his throat. Hold on a second. So I had a little chatterbait with a cut down goby. I really like that little twisty tail on the back of it. So thought it turned out really well. Now we just have the crankbait left, but nonetheless, not a bad fish right there. And we're gonna send her off. Or maybe wait 2 seconds if Anthony doubles. You double? No way, as I said that, let's go! Let's go! That's hype. Let's go, get him in. That was so sick. Let's go! Doubles, check it out. Ooh. Careful in these little boats, man. Anthony rocking a nice one on the jig. Me and that little chatterbait. Doink, baby, let's go. I'm putting mine back. Here she goes. I got one more bait left. I got a crankbait, and we still have so much pond to hit, so we're gonna get back to it. Let's go. Sturgeon Bay is really good. Get some on Lake Michigan. There's one on the crank. Right away, dude, hit the water. Come on. Get him in, it's completed. Come on. Oh, I thought he felt bigger, but it was just running so hard. Oh! Sorry, I got you a little wet there. That's not a bad one. Let's go on the crank. That's not a bad one at all. That's a chunky one, low key. This right here, the final bait of the day. Cross off the list. That little crankbait right over there. It runs 3 to 4 feet deep. I was throwing it actually probably about 3 to 4 feet of water. Right when it hit though the surface, it floats. So right when I started reeling it down, it was probably only like 1.5 to 2 feet. There was a bass sitting there and he just slammed. I'm assuming he was sitting in the weeds because this whole section is filled with weeds and like on the bottom, and it seems like the bass are sitting there because me and Anthony are cranking them right now. Not a bad fish. Might get a picture and put her back. Nice chunky fish, 2-pounder for sure. And she swims right off, baby. Let's go. That's right. Like, that would be so exciting. There's one. On the swim bait, on the swim bait. He's swimming towards me, I think. Or he's not big at all. He's just running straight towards me, dude. He's coming right to the boat. Like, he wants to get, look at this. My gosh. He just came right to the boat.
So easy.
He made it way too easy. My gosh. I never had a fish. I hooked him all the way over there. He just booked it to the boat. There we go. Boom, baby. On the Weston Swimbait. Nothing of size. You guys know this pond has a lot. We usually catch like the same size fish, but then every once in a while, like I caught my PB out of here. It's almost 8 pounds. We doubled?
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
Let's go. Oh, he spit it right in the side of the mouth. Really liking the swim bait. Definitely gonna, you know, keep using this. It's a good summer bait. Bass are always seen. Oh, dude, he got slammed. Oh, too bad I put mine in.
Yeah. Right
that was this close to a double. Good fish, baby. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Ah. Look at your rod. Oh my God. I was so glad I did not turn off the GoPro. Your rod was just submerged. All for that.
We nailed it, though.
We nailed it. Let's go. My God. Oh, he took it right by the boat. That was sick. I saw him grab it, dude. That was sick. He just came out of nowhere and just sucked it in right next to the boat. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, GoPro probably couldn't see it because the boat was in the way, but it was like that close. Wow, was that cool. Gosh. Oh my God, that, like, seeing a fish take it is so cool. And that just came out of nowhere. That was so sick. Guy on the Weston Magic Minnow, I think it's, yeah, Magic Minnow. And there she goes, baby. That was such a cool bite. And this one's finally getting teared up after I caught like 4 or 5 fish in it. So it is pretty sturdy, I'd say. And I've also gotten more bites, so those have definitely done some damage to it. But it's still swimming pretty well. So we're gonna kind of fix it up here and keep tossing it. He's like, yeah, I'm fishing tomorrow. All right. There's one. Let's go. Let's go. Little guy, nothing crazy. On the swimming again. This thing is just, yeah, Skid is killing it. Swallowed that thing head first. Boom, baby. Woo! What a, jeez. We're just smacking him at this point, guys. Look at this. You think he wanted that bait? Look at that.
Oh my, yeah.
Slammed it.
Definitely.
Getting a picture of that. That is sick. And this is all on part of the Mr. Tackle Box, but all on the Weston Magic Minnow. Now, like I said before, the beauty about Mr. Tackle Box is this is a bait I never knew about this bait, so I've never bought it because I'm signed up with Mr. Tackle Box. They're sending me new baits that work this time of year, and now, I mean, clearly it's working, and now this is a bait I'm, you know, probably gonna use forever because it's sick. Definitely gonna get some more after this till these bodies run out, but nonetheless, beautiful fish and loving the MTB this month. There we go. All right, and boom, there she goes. We're fishing pretty much, guys, we pretty much fished this entire pond. We were honestly going pretty fast around it, but we were being pretty much catching fish at every single spot. We're on like the last little roundabout here. Probably get bit again if the trend continues today. Ann and I are just absolutely smacking them. You on?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's not bad.
I was just literally reeling this in, bro, trying to get another.
Dude, my phone's frozen right now on the home screen. It won't even turn on. Yeah, that's a good fish, dude. Holy shit. That's actually a good fish. Yeah. It's like the #1 way to lose a fish. Oh my gosh. Grab it by the line. That's a good fish. There's your rod in the water. Ants put both reels in the water today. All right. Oh, did. Yeah. Beauty. Oof. Oof. Good stuff. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Anthony and I completely slapped them today. That was awesome, dude. Anthony was catching a lot on the swim jig, great summer bait, and the Senko, 2 phenomenal summer pond baits, and I was doing the MTB slam. Here's my box down here, catching a bunch, completed the slam today very quickly, and then we caught so many more fish on that Weston Magic Minnow. Like I said, I really like that bait. Definitely a bait I'm gonna keep using in the future. And if you guys want to get an MTB for $10 off, use code SLINGER. Like I said, click that first link in the description. And huge shout out for Mr. Tackle Box for sponsoring today's episode. If you guys did enjoy today's video, hit that subscribe button down below and that thumbs up button as well. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.